We are at Shoumen, ancient port site in Wenzhou City, East China's Zhejiang province. The excavation of this site presents a prosperous scene of Wenzhou along the maritime Silk Road during Song and Yuan dynasties, holding an important cultural and international significance.
Amazing the history that's here. I have looked before I come at documentaries about the Silk Road, and this brings it all to life. Really, you get a sense and impression of what this port was like in the past.
I've been very impressed, and I've learned a lot, and it's really, really good and a very, very good exposure for me. I've been impressed with the landscaping and the care and attention that's been put into the culture and the history of the city and how it relates from thousands of years ago to modern day. The blend between the ancient, the old and the new, I find very impressive. And it's something I think there's a lot I can take away from here to my city.
I'm very impressed, for the visit. I'm very enthusiastic about the relationship with China. Okay, our city, for example, have lots of Chinese investments and also a Chinese public bilingual school. So I hope in the future we can have more Chinese and Brazilians visiting each other and get to know each other better.